Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be something quick and easy you can do if it's last minute and you want some Valentine's Day treats, or even, even if it isn't Valentine's Day, who cares? So for this, you will need some ice cream. I will have the full recipe down below, but instead of ice cream, I am using strawberry frozen yogurt because it is what I had on hand. For one serving, you want 1 cup of ice cream, but I'm basically putting in almost 2 cups because it's just what I had left in the container. And this isn't for me, so don't freak out. My boyfriend has a heavy sweet tooth, so he's the one gonna be drinking this. So after that, I'm going to apply some milk. You can use any type of milk you want, soy milk, cow's milk. I'm using almond milk, vanilla flavored, because again, it's what I had on hand. And the full recipe, like I mentioned, is going to be down below if you want to know the exact measurements that I used. For the main ingredient for this milkshake, I'm using Betty Crocker's Super Moist Red Velvet Cake Mix. Now you can use any brand of cake mix you like or prefer, but this is the one I just picked up, so I'm applying some into my Ninja. The more cake mix you apply, the more pigment your milkshake will get. So mine is going to be more on the pink side. If you add some more, then it will turn more red, if that's something that you're interested in. And I'm going to apply some vanilla extract, and then I'm going to just blend it away. And as you're blending, you'll see that it just becomes like this creamy goodness. I did taste it, but again, since I'm trying to be on a little diet, I couldn't drink the whole thing. So I just had like a little sip, and oh my god, it was so good. If you really have like a sweet tooth, or if you love red velvet cake, this is something that I highly recommend you try because it is so freaking delicious. Thank me later. I'm then gonna apply it into a cute mason jar. After applying it into a cute mason jar, I realized I did not have whipped cream. Now, it would have looked a little bit more appealing and the presentation would have been A1 if I had some whipped cream. So instead, I just chopped up some strawberries and placed them inside. Even though they're going to sink to the bottom, I just wanted to make it look cute, for the video. And I added a little bit, tiny bit of sugar sprinkles. You can use any type of sprinkles you have, but again, this is just what I had on hand. Again, if I had whipped cream, it would have looked so much better, but this is what it looks like. It may not look the best, but I'm telling you, just try it and you will love it. I'm not even kidding. And then I had him taste it and he liked it. So yeah, that's it for this quick video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please give me a thumbs up and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!